Facing green videos after importing them into CapCut on your iPhone? This usually happens due to software glitches, unsupported video formats, or corrupted files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the green video importing issues. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check file formats. First, make sure your videos or photos are supported formats, like MP4, MOV, HEVC, JPEG, or PNG. And large files may take longer to load, so try smaller files first. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type CapCut, now find the CapCut app and tap on it. If you see any updates available there, then update the app. Now try to open the CapCut app again and see whether it works or not. Hope your problem is fixed. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.